Well, welcome to my presentation for Maserati SPA Go Chassis for my friend Professor Chad Greenfield. Greetings, Accounting Department. Today we will be learning about lesson in depreciation using Maserati SPA asset purchase of advanced robotics. We refer to this machinery as Go Chassis. It is estimated that the Go Chassis Advanced Robotic System will increase productivity by 39% while eliminating 22% of manual labor. Go Chassis has an estimated life of 5 years with estimated productivity of 21,000 hours. The cost of the system was $150,000, and we can expect 24,000 at disposal. I will be presenting an example of each depreciation method: straight line, activity method, sum of years, and double declining. While figuring straight line depreciation for 2019, we need to bear in mind that we purchased the machinery on August 1st of 2019. Therefore, the depreciation schedule for the first year will only entail 5 out of 12 months, since year end is 12/31/19. Our formula is asset cost minus salvage value divided by useful life times 5 divided by 12. As you can see, it breaks down below as 150,000 minus 24,000 divided by 5 times 5 divided by 12, which also breaks down even further to 25,200 times 5 out of 12 months for 10,500. Our depreciation expense for 2019 is $10,500. Utilizing activity method depreciation for 2020, we would need to be advised that we assumed 800 hours of usage. The first step would be to find the machine usage rate. To do this, we would use the formula cost minus residual value divided by estimated working hours times the hourly usage, which breaks down to 150,000 minus 24,000 divided by 21,000, which ends up equaling $6. So $6 an hour would be our hourly rate times the 800 hours of usage, bringing our 2020 depreciation expense to $4,800. Taking a look here at our sum of years digits depreciation schedule for 2020, we'll note that our first step would be to find our sum of years digits denominator, and we find that by adding the number of years together, kind of like numerology. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 gives us 15. So our fraction there has our denominator of 15. Since the adjustment was for the first 5 months for the first year, we're going to multiply our year 1 depreciation by 5 out of 12 months. This means we have 42,000 times 5 out of 12, giving us $24,500 for our total depreciation expense using sum of years digits for 2020. Lastly, we're going to use the double declining depreciation expense method for 2020. And I was able to do this in 4 steps. Number 1, we find the straight line depreciation rate. 1 divided by 5, 0.2. Step 2, double that since it's double declining rate, which would be 0.4. The depreciation expense for year 1 would therefore be 150,000 times 0.4 times our short year of 5 out of 12 months for that first year. That equivocates to $25,000. Now we will find our depreciation expense for year 2. We will start with the beginning value minus our first year depreciation. 150,000 minus the 60,000 would equivocate to 90,000. In order to fully depreciate this asset using the double declining method, we would continue depreciation until the salvage value of 24,000 is reached over years of useful life. Well now, you've made it to the end. This concludes our lesson in depreciation of company assets. Thank you for working so diligently at Maserati SPA.